Okay, hello. I would like to help you out with your homework for lesson 6, verb agreement with collective nouns and other tricky subjects. So there's a nice review here. And if you look at the packet I gave you, that gives you a summary lesson for verb agreement with collective nouns and other tricky subjects. You'll see a lot of that repeated. So let's go through this. Use a singular verb with the collective noun subject that refers to people or things as a group. So when we're talking about a group of people, we're still using a singular verb. Use a plural verb with a collective noun subject referring to people or things as individuals. Use a singular verb with nouns ending in S or CS, such as measles and mathematics. Titles of literary and artistic works are singular. Words and phrases expressing weights, measures, numbers, and lengths of time are often singular. Not always, but often. Phrases or clauses used as subjects take singular verbs. Okay, so let's look and see what we need to fix. With the emergence of Jacob Dylan in the music world, the Dylan family are able to claim 2 stars in 2 generations. So Bob Dylan and Jacob Dylan. Okay, so the Dylan family is a collective noun, a group of people, right? The family is or the family are? Okay, exactly right. We're going to say is. Okay, does that make sense to you? We would say the families, like more than one family, the families are. But this is one family. It's a group of people, but it's a collective noun. So we're going to use the singular verb. Number 2, what is amazing is that Jacob's father, Bob Dylan, has been a major figure in popular music for more than 4 decades. What is amazing is that Jacob's father, who's his father, Bob Dylan, his father, has been a major figure in popular music for more than 4 decades. I do not see a problem with that. Am I missing anything? No, that's correct. Correct. Okay. 19 years were, I can't even say that. That sounds so bad. 19 years was the age at which Bob Dylan moved to New York to start his musical career. So why is that the case? Right here. That's why. You see it? Words and phrases expressing weights, measures, numbers. Okay, so his age here expressed in years is a number. So that's going to be singular. 19 years was the age at which Bob Dylan moved to New York to start his musical career. Excuse me. Big yawn. Sorry. A host of would-be stars invade. A host invade. New York every year, but few have had such an immediate impact as Bob Dylan. Okay, let's think about this. A host, so a host is your collective noun. A host invades or a host invade. Okay, I would say it. Does that make it more clear? So it invades. Now, a host is a group, and it is a collective noun, but we're going to think of it as singular because that's how we use it. A host invades. The group invades. Okay, number 5. Writing one's own songs seem commonplace now, but Dylan started that trend. I have to tell you, it's hard for me to read it when it's incorrect. Okay, so writing one's own songs. So writing seem or writing seems. So the thing that's extra tricky about this is that there's an implied subject. Okay, the implied subject is one. How do I say that? One writing one's own songs. I guess it's not implied, it's right there. If one is writing one's own songs, one seems. One seems. Commonplace. Okay, writing one's own songs seems commonplace now. Okay, I hope that helps. And please check the handout I gave you that gives you additional rules to help you with collective nouns and tricky subjects. Remember, this is due Monday.